Hello, my superstars. Welcome to day 3 of Speak English in 30 days. If you answered someone with yes or no yesterday, scream out loud right now, "I did it!" I heard you all the way here. You're unstoppable. Today is the day you start sounding like a real person in English, because today you will learn to talk about your feelings. After the next 6 minutes, you will be able to say, "I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry." And everyone will understand exactly how you feel. Say right now, "Today I will share my feelings in English." Go! Yes! Today's tiny goal is simple but powerful. You will learn 8 feeling words and the sentence, "I am" plus feeling. You will say them with perfect pronunciation and real emotion. Ready? Let's begin. Rule number 1. We say I am, never I is or I'm. Repeat after me slowly. I am. I am. I am. Now add feelings. I say the word, you repeat with full sentence and emotion. Number 1. Happy. I am happy. Again with excitement. I am happy. Number 2. Tired. I am tired. Like you worked 10 hours. I am so tired. Number 3. Hungry. I am hungry. Drama. I am very hungry. Number 4. Thirsty. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Water, please. Number 5. Good. I am good. Number 6. Okay. I am okay. Number 7. Great. I am great. Number 8. Sick. I am sick. You just spoke 8 perfect sentences. Native speakers use these every day. Rapid fire feeling game. I will say a situation. You answer immediately with I am plus feeling. Shout it loud, starting now. Situation 1. You just ate a huge meal. I am full or not hungry. Situation 2. You woke up after only 4 hours sleep. I am tired. Situation 3. Your favorite team won. I am happy. Situation 4. You see a cute puppy. I am happy. Situation 5. You finished day 3. I am great. Situation 6. You drank 5 coffees. I am not tired. Situation 7. It's 40 degrees outside. I am hot. Situation 8. Someone gives you a gift. I am happy. Situation 9. You have to wait 1 hour for food. I am hungry. Situation 10. You are listening to this. I am awesome. You are on fire. Stand up right now. Open your phone camera or go to mirror. Look at yourself and say each sentence with 100% real emotion 3 times each. I'll stay quiet so you can feel like a movie star. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome back. You look and sound like a real English speaker now. Today's real-life mission, this one is fun and easy. You must say I'm plus feeling to at least 3 real people today. Examples. Walk to your mom. Mom, I'm hungry. Message a friend. I'm tired today. Tell your brother. I'm happy because of English. When you finish all three, record a quick voice note. Day 3 complete. I told 3 people my feelings in English. You're becoming brave every single day. Quick recap. Your 8 power feelings. Happy, tired, hungry, thirsty, good, okay, great, sick. Say them all with me one last time like a champion. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am good. I am okay. I am great. I am sick. Perfect. Tomorrow on day 4, we will learn the 2 questions every human asks. What is your name and how are you? You will answer perfectly and make friends easily. But only if you complete today's mission. Promise me out loud. I will tell 3 people how I feel in English today. I believe you. This is Mark, reminding you. You just spoke with real emotion in English. You are not a beginner anymore. You are a speaker. Be proud. Keep shining. See you tomorrow for day 4. Now go tell the world, I'm happy. Bye for now.